So how are we feeling?
Feeling great. Excited.
So we are on a little island called Gulhi in the Maldives. We arrived here yesterday. We left Melbourne in the evening, actually at night, and it took us nearly 24 hours door to door. So we flew to Singapore, had a few hours stopover, and then flew from Singapore to the Maldives. Gulhi Island is just a little tiny island with a population of about 1,000 people. It's very chill. The island located about 20 kilometers south of Malé.
Yeah, it's a really small island. You can walk around the entire island in about half an hour. What you do need to know about Guhli is that it's a public island. So we are currently on Bikini Beach, which is why I can just wear my dress like this. But outside of Bikini Beach, you gotta have a blouse and cover up if you're a woman, and wear a proper t-shirt and shorts if you are a man. But everyone here is really friendly. The people are so friendly. There's still little shops. Everybody's happy to have a chat. So it feels like it has a real local vibe, and you get to really meet the people that live in the Maldives, which is really, really nice.
Yeah, so we have a few days here before we jump onto the liveaboard and start our absolute epic 2 weeks liveaboard trip. So the question has been in my head even since before we left Australia, and certainly in the last couple of days, was it a good plan? Because obviously we're here to jump on a liveaboard, and after a long years of workings and all that, we just need a place to wind down for a couple of days. We didn't even consider going on one of those private islands or overwater bungalow because most of them are well above our budgets. So coming here to Guhli or any other public islands was a lot more budget friendly, certainly for us. I don't know about you, but I think it was a great plan. We get to experience local lifestyles, we get to hang out on the beautiful beaches, and the hotel was great. Food option was plentiful, and the price are largely reasonable.
Yeah, definitely. And there's lots of day trippers actually that come to Guhli from other islands. So I think we definitely picked the right island to do that. The weather forced us to relax and acclimatize. There was torrential rain at times.
Yeah.
So we couldn't do every day trip possible. But if you're here, there is certainly plenty on offer and plenty to do. But yeah, we came here to relax, unwind before
And-
the next fortnight, and
Yep.
that definitely did the trick. So we definitely going to see more of the Maldives, which is
This time it's going to be underwater now. We've been above water for long enough.
the Maldives. They're massive, thousands of kilometers of atolls spreading north and south of Male. Male is in the central Maldives, where you will land. And we are going to jump on a liveaboard for a staggering 15 days. Oh my God, this is like the longest liveaboard ever. And explore that. So if you want to be along for that journey, make sure you hit that subscribe and the bell button to not miss the next video.